Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, I just woke up. It's a little early. I am going today to get my hair done. I am getting a keratin treatment and then I'm just getting a trim. I wanted to do my makeup tutorial with all of the items I received in my BoxyCharm box. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that this morning, and then I'm gonna take you guys with me to my hair appointment so you can see the before and afters and everything. So as you can hear, my son is in here. Say hey. Say hey. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. And as usual, I will have all of the items I use linked down below. Now, all of these items didn't come from BoxyCharm, but some of them did. And if you want to see my BoxyCharm unboxing, I'm going to link that video down below as well. I'm going to go in first with this Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Eyeshadow Primer. Next, I'm going to go in with this glitter shadow from Ace Beauty in the shade Huckleberry. It's really pretty. I like that it goes on real light. You can pack it on and make it a more bold, intense color, or you can just leave it this really light, pretty shade. See how light and pretty that is? This side's a little darker. Then I'm going to go in with another glimmer shadow from Ace Beauty in the shade French Vanilla. It's really pretty as well. It's like silver. I'm going to go in with the liquid glitter shadow from Makeup Revolution, and this is Yours Truly. So I'm just going to go in with the glitter side. Just to give this a little more depth, I'm going to go ahead and use the ColourPop shadow palette You Had Me at Hello. This is gorgeous. Hello. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this color here. It's called Look See. I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this into my crease. So look how pretty and pigmented. I really love the ColourPop palette. I got this one in one of my BoxyCharm boxes before. So I'm finished with my shadow. I just wanted to do something kind of like soft and just like kind of pretty, a little neutral. So this is today's look. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my one and only CoverGirl eye pencil in the shade Honey Brown, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my brows. So be right back. And then just as a little added touch, I'm gonna go in with this tinted brow gel, and this is from the Brow Gal. I'm pretty sure I got this in one of my Ipsy bags. And this is really good. I use this if I'm like in a hurry and I don't really have time to fill in my brows. I'll just throw some of this on real fast. I really, really like this. And this is in the shade Brown Hair, which is number 2. But I really, really like this. It's easy for if you're like just in a hurry and you don't have time to really fill your brows in, but you don't want them looking like they're not there. Okay, next I'm going to go in with this Hollywood in Vine kohl eyeliner in black, and this is something else that I got from BoxyCharm. Okay, as you can see, someone was throwing a big fit in his crib, so I'm gonna hold him for a little bit. And then now I'm going to go in with this Tarte Big Ego mascara, which also came from BoxyCharm. Okay, so I've done one eye with the mascara, and I just wanna get up close and personal so you can see like the difference. Like, I really like this mascara. I feel like it really lifts your lashes and holds them in place, and it lengthens them too. So, and I like the way that it does on my bottom lashes as well. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye. Okay, eyes are done. Also, shout out to all the moms out there, because if you've ever held your child and done your makeup, like, you're a goddess. My child will not play in his bed. I'm sitting right here. He can see me, and there he goes. He's like just not feeling it. He's like, no, like, I want you to hold me, mom. So today's video should be interesting. Okay, I've got him playing on the floor and he's happy right now. I'd show y'all, but I'm not going to disturb the piece. So we'll see how long this lasts. Maybe I can hurry up and finish. This is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil by Wander Beauty. Came in BoxyCharm as well, and I really, really like it. And a little bit with this goes a long way. And I used this, since I got this, I started using this as a primer, which I know it's probably not really like a great primer, but I actually really like it. I know that's not what it's supposed to be for, but I really like it. As you can see, it's got a good little dent in it. I'm gonna be really sad when it's gone. Hopefully BoxyCharm will send another one in like October's box or something, because by then I'll definitely need one. So this is still a little damp from yesterday, because I did my makeup like kind of in the evening. So I'm just gonna spray it with my HD primer from Essence. Now I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the shade Cool Beige. You done, child? Don't you fuss at mommy. So this weekend, Tarte was having a BOGO sale. So it was buy one get one 50% off. So I may or may not have bought a couple things from them. And then ColourPop was having a 25% off site-wide sale. So let's just say I've got a couple packages in the mail. But I'm super excited. I ordered a liquid foundation from ColourPop, which I'm really excited about. I really like this stick foundation from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've been using it a lot. But I definitely can say I like liquid foundations better in general. Like, they're just easier to apply. I feel like they go on better. Like, they go on easier, I should say, not better. But I really, really do like this stick foundation from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply Maybelline Concealer in the shade Fair. I'm really liking the way this is turning out. You can hear my child playing. He's having the time of his life on the floor. All right. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Bronzer in the shade Rich Amber. So we're going to go in with this next. All done. Then I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Fit Me blush, which is the only blush that I use. I really want a new one that's not as dark, because I feel like this one can be kind of harsh sometimes when I just want to keep it light. So I'm gonna just apply a tiny bit, and this is in the shade Berry. So if you guys have any recommendations on like a lighter blush, I would totally love to read that in the comments. And I'm gonna use Wet n Wild's Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Precious Petals. It's really pretty. It's kind of like a rose goldish almost. The last product I'm going to use that I got from BoxyCharm is this Becca Cosmetics. Wow, that's really like a mirror. This Becca Cosmetics, this is the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. But this stuff is amazing. It's got this little plastic piece which is super convenient because I can't stand when I take the lid off of a powder. Powder just goes everywhere. God, it makes me so upset. So this is awesome. But it feels really cool. I guess that's why it's called the Hydra. I mean, it's a Hydra Mist, but I really like it. Okay, by this point, I'm sure you guys know how much I love a nude lip, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this Maybelline Color Sensational in Baddest Beige. Hey guys, okay, so I'm here at the salon. I'm about to go in and get my keratin treatment done. As you can see, my hair is still just whatever. So I'm really excited, and I hope that this really works for me because I need something. I need to do something with my hair. So I will show you guys the finished product. Hey guys, okay, so I'm finished. As you can see, it's like really straight. Y'all, it feels so soft, and I'm so excited to like wash it and see how it looks and feels just whenever like I do my normal routine. But it's so soft, and you can see it's like board straight, which for me is a big deal because my hair's so much body and it's so curly. Like this never ever happened. But I can already tell like this keratin treatment is gonna work so great. I'm so excited. All right, so as always, like this video, and if you're not subscribed, go down, click the subscribe button, and click the little bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload video. Hey guys, okay, so today is Tuesday, and I had my keratin treatment done on Saturday. I have washed my hair twice since I got my keratin treatment. Today was the second time I washed it, and as you can see, like my roots are pretty straight. My hair has practically no frizz, and it did pull some of my curl out, which I was hoping that it would do. Now in the back, like underneath, my hair is still a little damp, but it's not like really wet. But I am in love. The keratin treatment was like one of the best decisions I ever made. I'm so excited about it, and I am definitely going to get this done again. So if you're thinking about it, just like look how, and my hair is so smooth and so soft. Like it's amazing. So if you have curly hair or unruly hair or frizzy hair or all of the above, I definitely recommend getting a keratin treatment. Now I just did like the lightest one, so you can get one that like pulls all the curl out of your hair and makes your hair completely straight. But I just did like the light one just to get like the frizz out. It just so happened to pull some of my curl out as well, which is just a perk. So I definitely recommend it, and thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to go subscribe if you're not subscribed, and as always, click the like button. Bye, see y'all next time. Next, I'm gonna go in with this glitter shadow from Ace Beauty.